Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best grow tents for quality grow, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best grow tents for quality grow options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which grow tents for quality grow is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. VIVOSUN S448 Grow Tent. The VIVOSUN Grow Tent is a high-quality solution for indoor hydroponics gardening. Measuring 48 inches by 48 inches by 80 inches, this tent offers ample space for your plants to thrive. Its high reflective mylar lining ensures maximum light reflection, promoting healthy growth. The observation window allows you to monitor your plants without disturbing the environment inside. The floor tray makes cleanup a breeze, keeping your space tidy. Compatible with the VS4000/VSF4300, this grow tent is a must-have for any serious gardener. Advantages of the VIVOSUN S448 4x4 Grow Tent. High reflective. Mylar boosts plant growth by maximizing light distribution. Observation window allows easy monitoring of plants without disturbing their environment. Floor tray prevents water leakage and keeps the grow area clean and organized. Hydroponics indoor plant setup promotes efficient nutrient absorption and faster growth. Compatible with VS4000/VSF4300, ensuring optimal conditions for plants' health and yield. Frame bowing. As part of a consensus on air/auto flowers, high-powered inline exhaust fans can create strong negative air pressure, causing the thin 16mm sidewalls to bow inward slightly. Number 2. AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 844 Advanced Grow Tent. Best quality grow tents. The AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 844 Advanced Grow Tent is the ultimate solution for hydroponics indoor growing. With thickest 1-inch poles and highest density 2000D diamond mylar canvas, this tent offers unparalleled durability and longevity. Its 4x4 size is perfect for growing plants of all types and sizes. Experience the benefits of this grow tent and take your indoor gardening to the next level. Advantages: enhance plant growth with thickest 1-inch poles for sturdy support and stability. Benefit from highest density, 2000D diamond mylar. Canvas for optimal light reflection. Enjoy a spacious 4x4 size perfect for hydroponics indoor growing setups. Increase yield and quality of plants due to superior environmental control. Create an ideal growing environment with durable materials and easy setup. Our recommendations. I am thrilled with the AC Infinity CLOUDLAB 844 Grow Tent. The thickest poles and high-density canvas ensure durability. Perfect for my hydroponics indoor growing needs. The 1-inch poles provide sturdy support for my plants. The 2000D diamond mylar canvas is top-notch quality. Overall, a fantastic investment for any indoor grower. Number 3. CoolGrows Grow Tent. Best smart grow tents. Unlock the potential of your indoor gardening with the CoolGrows Grow Tent. This 4x2 feet hydroponic tent is designed for optimal plant growth. The mylar lining ensures maximum light reflection, promoting healthy plant development. The observation window allows easy monitoring without disturbing the plants. The sturdy construction and floor tray add convenience to your indoor gardening setup. Elevate your plant growing experience with this efficient and reliable grow tent. Number 4. Gorilla Grow Tent. OG 5 feet by 5 feet, best quality grow tents. The Gorilla Grow Tent, 5 feet by 5 feet, original/pro line, is widely considered the premium heavy-duty option in the hobbyist market, noted for its exceptional durability, height adjustability, and thick material. It is frequently praised for having the strongest frame and thickest canvas in the industry, making it a top choice for serious growers despite its higher price point and key features and performance unmatched durability, 1680D canvas. The tent uses 1680D thread density fabric, which is 3 to 9 times denser than most competitors. This makes it highly resistant to tears and, more importantly, ensures 100% light-proofing. Number 5. Spider Farmer 2x4 EVO Complete Grow Tent Kit. Best grow tents. Experience the ultimate in indoor gardening with the 2024 Spider Farmer 2x4 EVO Complete Grow Tent Kit. This innovative system includes the SF2000 Samsung LM301H EVO and dimmable Grow Tent Complete System, providing everything you need for successful plant cultivation. The 24 inches by 47 inches by 71 inches growing tent set offers ample space for your plants to thrive, while the 4-inch ventilation system and 6-inch clip fan ensure optimal airflow and climate control. With this comprehensive kit, you can create an ideal environment for your plants to flourish, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced growers. Elevate your indoor gardening game with this top-of-the-line grow tent kit.